Have you ever wondered if your pet could be identified just by scanning their face? Well, two ambitious entrepreneurs, Jesse Junho Lim and Ken Daehyun Pak, turned this intriguing question into a reality with their groundbreaking app, Petnow. Jesse and Ken's journey began with a simple challenge. Both pet lovers themselves, they were inspired by the unique facial features of their furry friends. They wondered, could technology accurately identify pets in the same way it does humans? This question sparked an idea, a vision that ultimately led to the creation of Petnow. Their app works in an ingenious yet simple way. It runs a camera-based scan of a pet's face, creating a unique biometric profile. For dogs, Petnow records a nose print, and for cats, it looks at their facial contour. The app claims a staggering 99% accuracy in identifying individual pets, a feat that seemed like science fiction not too long ago. However, their journey wasn't without its hurdles. Jesse and Ken faced concerns about biases in facial recognition technology and the difficulty of distinguishing between breeds. But they didn't let these challenges deter them. Instead, they worked tirelessly to address these issues and improve the app's accuracy and reliability. Their hard work and innovative thinking caught the attention of investors. Petnow raised $5.25 million in funding from Daedioc Venture Partners and DigiCap, valuing the company at a cool $24 million. And if that wasn't impressive enough, Petnow is also participating in the startup Battlefield 200 at TC Disrupt 2023. But Jesse and Ken aren't stopping there. They have grand plans for the future. They intend to partner with pet insurers and government pet registries, expanding the reach and impact of their revolutionary app. So, if you've ever wished for a quick, easy way to identify your pet, or simply marveled at the unique features of your furry friend, Petnow just might be the technology you've been waiting for. Be sure to check out Petnow and experience the future of pet identification yourself.